Hey, my name is Carly Anglin, and this is my content knowledge activity. Okay, the standard is for a kindergarten standard, which is to write the numbers from 0 to 20, represent a number of objects with a written numeral 0 to 20, with 0 representing a count of no objects. The students will be able to say and write numbers from 0 to 20. The students will be able to represent a number of objects with a written numeral 0 to 20. And then for the start of this lesson, I would play this video to kind of hook the students and get them engaged in what the lesson and activity is going to be about. And I would also wrap up our lesson with this same video as kind of the conclusion. I'll play a little bit of it for y'all.
Hi, kids. Let's all count from 1 to 20. We'll count from 1 to 20 3 times, and each time we'll count faster.
Count, count, count with me. Count with me from 1 to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Great job, kids. Let's count again.
Okay, and so the video will do that 2 more times. The next time it will be a little bit faster than the time that we just did. And then the last time doing it, it will be the fastest. Okay, and then for an example, I found this number maze. Can you help this ice skating koala reach the ice rink? Draw a path from the koala to the ice rink by counting from 1 to 20 and tracing the numbers. So the students would start at 1, trace the number, move to the next one, and then go all through that until he makes it to the ice rink. And then for my non-example, I found a skip counting by 10 worksheet. And this would be a non-example because the students aren't learning to skip count by tens yet. And that's it. Thank y'all.